Action!
Pila-pila sa lamin.
Para siomay lang eh.
Hello.
We're in at Mount Caramoan. Mount Caramoan.
Mount Caramo. Di bundok to gago, island.
That is a mount.
Tinago.
Diba? Rocks.
Tinago.
Tinago. No.
Nao. Nao.
Naho Island. And one of our team, one team and the two teams, composed of two teams.
Ano gagawin? Puta na ako po tututin. Ano gagawin natin?
We have a game.
Yan!
The game is like this. You will build a castle with this length, distance. This size, the higher the better. So, the members of each team is
Tayo magkakampi din.
Driver and Dede, and the other team B is
Hoy!
Japs
We're team ano ito?
and BJ.
Ha? Team
Yeah!
Taken. Team Taken.
Team taken ha. Lalabas si Junta no? Sa tubig. Okay guys.
Start line. Ano gagawin?
How long is this? How long?
5 minutes. Only 5 minutes.
5 minutes only?
Lalabas kami sa tubig. Kailangan delay.
You're ready, we're ready.